Afrobeat star Damini Eboluwa Ogulu, known professionally as Burna Boy, is currently facing lots of backlash for assaulting a fan who ran across the stage during his performance at the Greater Lagos concert. Burna Boy took to his Instagram story on January 1st, 2025 to explain his reaction and highlight his long-standing stance on such situations. He explained, "It was a free show. I was supposed to do 10 minutes and I did almost 1 hour. Everybody knows my rule about getting on stage and startling me when I'm performing. I had an amazing time with Lagos State last night. Don't jump on my stage like that. I got PTSD. Post-traumatic stress disorder. I love you all. Happy New Year." This comes after the viral clip from his performance showed the moment Burna Boy kicked the overzealous fan who rushed onto the stage. However, even after the fan was booted off, the singer expressed his disinterest in carrying on with the performance and left the stage. The incident, which occurred on New Year's Eve, 31st December 2024, went viral and drew widespread criticisms online. However, after the singer's explanation, it generated mixed reactions, with many rallied in his defense. An Instagram user wrote, "These people are complaining about him leaving the show. Do you see that he had to pause for some minutes after the incident? It was like a flash, and he was trying to understand what just happened. These people are humans too. Everyone's fighting a battle, whether celebrity or not, whether wealthy or not. Demons don't know or care about your status. Now you know what you dey deal with. Fans should stop jumping on stage like that. Enjoy the show. It could be fan love, but ask yourself, what if it isn't?" said another. He has been quite vocal about his dislike for stage jumping. He's human too. Sad that these overzealous fans will still attempt this again. Nobody should traumatize my ODG. Please, another fan said. We'll continue to share you fresh news updates from the entertainment world. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.